Alright, so in this problem, I have 5 to the power of m minus 3 to the power of m is equal to 544. So I'm first going to let a equal 5, and I'm going to let b equal 3. So now I have a to the power of m minus b to the power of m is equal to 544. Now this means that b squared is the same thing as, remember, b equals 3, so it's 3 squared, which is equal to 9, right? So this means, and this also means that a squared, which is the same thing as 5 squared, is equal to 25. So this means that a squared minus b squared is equal to 25 minus 9, which is 16. And this also means that a squared plus b squared, which is 25 plus 9, is 34. So by knowing this, we can say that a to the power of m minus b to the power of m is equal to, we know that this is equal to 16 times 34, because 544, that's equal to 16 times 34. And a squared minus b squared is 16, a squared plus b squared is 34. So I'm going to rewrite this as a to the power of m minus b to the power of m is equal to a squared minus b squared times a squared plus b squared. So now from here, if I factor out a squared and a squared and, or sorry, if I factor out a squared plus b squared, I get a to the power of m minus b to the power of m is equal to a squared times a squared plus b squared minus b squared times a squared plus b squared. And this is the same thing as a to the power of 4 plus a squared b squared minus b to the power of 4 minus b squared. So now I can replace a and b back in, or sorry, before that actually, this is going to be the same thing as a to the power of 2 times 2 minus b to the power of 2 times 2, which is equal to a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4, meaning m is equal to 4. So this is my solution. Alright, so in this problem, I have 4 to the power of x is equal to 12. So to solve this, I'm going to first take the log on both sides. So I have log 4 to the power of x is equal to log 12. And if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move this exponent b to the front. So this is going to equal b times log a. So in this case, I have log 4 to the power of x, and I can move x to the front. So now I have x times log 4 is equal to log 12. Now, if I divide both sides by log 4, these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to log 12 over log 4. Now, I can rewrite log 12 as log of 4 times 3. So I have log of 4 times 3 over log of 4. And if I have something in the form log of a times b, this is equal to log a plus log b. So log 4 times 3, that's going to equal log 4 plus log 3. And I have this over log 4. So now this is the same thing as log 4 over log 4 plus log 3 over log 4. Now log 4 and log 4, these two cancel out, so now I get x is equal to 1 plus log 3 over log 4. And log 4, that's the same thing as 2 squared, so I get 1 plus log 3 over log of 2 squared, and remember I can move this 2 to the front. So now I have log 3 over 2 log 2, and this is the same thing as 1 plus 0.7925, which is equal to 1.7925. Alright, so in this problem, I have 3 to the power of x squared over 9 to the power of x is equal to 27. So I'm first going to start by rewriting 9 as 3 squared and 27 as 3 cubed. So now I have 3 to the power of x squared over 3 squared to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x, that's going to be equal to 3 to the power of 2 times x, which is 3 to the power of 2x. This is equal to 3 to the power of 3. And now I can rewrite this as 3 to the power of x squared times 3 to the power of negative 2x is equal to 3 to the power of 3. And a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So this is going to equal 3 to the power of x squared minus 2x is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m equals a to the power of n, this means that m is equal to n. So in this case, x squared minus 2x is equal to 3. So now to solve this, I'm going to subtract 3 on both sides. So then these two cancel out. So now I have x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. And now to solve this, I'm going to use the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, a is 1, b is negative 2, and c is negative 3. So I have x is equal to negative of negative 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 2 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 3. And I have this over 2a, so 2 times 1. So now this is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 plus 12 over 2, which is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 16 over 2, which is equal to 2 plus or minus 4 over 2. So now I have 2 plus 4 over 2 and 2 minus 4 over 2. So I'll get x is equal to 3 or negative 1. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x to the power of 1/4 is equal to 4. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the power of 4 on both sides. So now we have 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x to the power of 1/4 to the power of 4. And this is equal to 4 to the power of 4. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is also equal to a to the power of m times n. So now this 1/4, this would equal 1/4 times 4, which is simply just 1 because these two cancel out. So now we have 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of 4. Now I'm going to rewrite 4 as 2 squared. So now we have 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 squared to the power of 4. Now remember again, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 4, this is going to equal 2 to the power of 2 times 4. And 2 times 4 is 8. So now we have 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x is equal to 8. Or sorry, 2 to the power of 8. Now, if we have two terms with the same base, let's say we have a to the power of m as well as a to the power of n, and these two equal each other, this means that m is equal to n. So as you see right here, these two bases are the same and these two terms equal each other. This means that the exponents are the same as well, meaning 2 to the power of x is equal to 8. And this is simply just asking 2 to the power of what is equal to 8? That means that x is equal to 3. So this is our answer.